get the right stuff.
Yes.
And then you can, this table is on wheels.
I know,
and
I thought I was on a boat before, it was moving.
And then you're able to create something very special. Now, everything in our cookie jar has sold out except for Mummy.
Have you met Maisie?
Is that right? All right, so
Little Mummy.
This is the only one we have left.
I gotta tell you, I'm sweet on Little Mummy. She's so cute. First of all, the fact that we're able to get everything is sculptural that you see on her. So her little trick-or-treat bag, even her little wrappings of her little mummy head, all the way to her sweet little
big eyeballs.
Look at those big green eyes. What big green eyes you have.
What big green eyes you have.
Better to see you with. And then, of course, her sweet little necklace. So she's adorable. And I don't know if you've met Maisie, but this is Maisie.
Maisie is sold out. Maisie, it's nice to meet you.
Maisie was an inside joke if you weren't watching earlier.
Well, because we couldn't remember.
We, and by we, he means me.
Couldn't remember her name. Who created Maisie?
Me.
No. Who couldn't remember Maisie's name?
Me.
That would be you. All right, my darling.
This was so
You'll never
fun.
forget again what you adore
no,
you.
Never, never again. I will be back in the 8 p.m. hour. I think I'm on around 9 to 9:30.
Perfect.
Yes, I'll see you then.
And do you have anything that we haven't seen before tonight?
I do not think so, no.
All right, so
but great clearance price items, and they're retiring.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fall, y'all. It's fall, y'all.
It's fall, y'all. Hey, and that's the name of our new show Thursday night.
I know, I saw
with Amy
it.
Strand,
It's adorable.
yeah. So we're going to be kicking that off Thursday night, 10 p.m. But in the meantime, two of our favorites, Valerie Parhill and Jane Brown, standing by, getting ready to show those gorgeous autumn
special
pumpkins.
value is beautiful.
And already half gone for the
Beautiful.
day. Ladies, take it away.
Aw, well, good to see you.